Hello guys. For today's video, I will try just to explain what I am doing in my subscriptions. At least you have an idea, because a lot of people, they follow my YouTube but they don't know what I am doing for my subscribers, the golden and silver subscribers. Okay, now before I do searches on Friday to show how I search for stocks and how I buy them from the search on Friday. And in the weekend, I will add more lessons explaining whatever the subscriber asks me to explain, because the training is should have all the aspects, from when to buy, stop loss, how to follow the trend, money management, and a lot of things. So it depends what my subscribers are asking me. But for today, I want to make a big change in my subscription, which I will make a portfolio of stocks that we follow. Okay, a lot of stocks that we follow, and I give alert when to buy and when to sell. Mostly when to buy, because when to sell, a lot of people are scared to wait that long. Now, I will make another portfolio for sectors. It means you can buy ETF sectors. I will show you when to buy exactly. And we will have stocks and ETF alerts. It means I will send whenever I find something good and I see that it is the momentum, I will send these alerts. And wherever person who wants to buy, you put stop loss, and you follow my instructions. Okay, so this is something new that I am doing, and I'm trying to maybe in the future to have what we call a big account, which is virtual account, and I will put all the stocks that I saw and I follow. Okay, so but this doesn't mean that I will show you my real stocks that I own, because I can't buy everything in the market. The market, we have 24,000 stocks and ETFs. You can never be anywhere. That's why sometimes when you see people say, oh, this is a gap up here, oh, this stock goes 200%, oh, this stock go 100%. You can't be everywhere in the market. So you stick to where you want to be in the stock market. Okay? So for you guys, any one of you guys who wants just to try for 1 month or two, try just my subscription and see what's going on, and ask your questions. I make videos for you, and we follow stocks, we follow ETFs. I will send you alerts through the subscription, and it will be a good way to understand how the market is doing. And then you can ask any question about the stocks, ETFs, or whatever. You ask questions. This is the most important thing in my subscriptions. You ask questions, and I make videos for all the subscribers, to get the information. Now, understand that we have silver subscription and we have golden subscription. What's the difference? The difference is how many training you get. In silver subscription, it's almost about the search. Okay, so you get 5 or 6 training, all about search. And for golden subscription, you have 13. You have all the search questions, all the other training, day trading also. You have how to search, money management. All the training are available there. You just go and you subscribe and you begin your training. You should understand all my training about what we do. At least when you follow, it will be very easy for you, and it will be very easy to ask questions. Okay, so the best thing is to try. And I give something that no one is giving online. is to ask questions of what we do. For example, you buy a stock, it doesn't work out. So you ask me the question why. So I will give you the answers. Now, when I give you my answer, this will help you correct your mistakes that you have done. And this is how you progress. And this is how you make money in the future. Okay? Making money is as simple as buying and the stock goes into a trend. That's the money that we are looking for. We are looking for to wait for our profits. Not to do a stop loss with 5 cents and 10 cents as some people do. It means they don't like to risk any money. So these guys will never succeed in trading. In trading, you should risk some money always. And even if you have some trades that you lose little money, this is part of the game. There is no one in the market that he buys a stock, it goes up, and he's always making money. This is existent in the stock market. It doesn't exist, and no one has done this except for those who are investing. You know, when you are investing for 10 years, most of the stocks go up, but there are few that go down if these companies have problems. So this progress is because of the time. Now, for us, we are not investors. We are just short-term traders. We can stay a few days, few weeks, few months until the trends dry out or dry up, and there is no more trend, and the trend is going down. So we sell. So all this I cover in my training and in my stocks. Okay, I have live trades that are 5 months to weeks. You follow me each week, changing stop loss, changing the exit point, and when I interfere and when I don't. Because sometimes you buy a stock 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes 1 month, you should do nothing. You should not change your stop loss, initial stop loss, the first stop loss you do. You should do nothing until you are right. When you are right and the stock is moving, and then later you can change it according to certain techniques that I describe and I teach. Okay? So the best thing for you guys is just to follow me on my subscriptions in order to get all the information. Now, YouTube, I give a lot of free information, but it is not this what makes the money. Okay? What makes the money is the training itself and how to look for stocks. Okay? So please, if you have questions, you can just comment on this video. Okay? Comment here on this video below, or you can send me an email, which is the best thing you can do. Send me an email and we can do that. Okay? So thank you very much. And before I finish this video, please, tomorrow I have changed my live. I will be at 8 o'clock tomorrow Eastern time. So please, guys, if you want to ask questions and if you have questions, please come at 8. Okay? I will try to stay longer, but we will see when the guys come. Okay? So thank you very much, and see you tomorrow at night at 8 o'clock. Thank you very much.